My dear friends, I am Masood here from Astari Classes. I will be the instructor for AWS training at Astari Classes. And today we have an introductory session onto cloud computing with respect to AWS. So by the way, in this session, I would like to explain you something basic. What is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. When most of the people might be aware what is AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Service. And you might be aware that AWS is the #1 cloud provider in the world. Now I can say cloud service provider in the world. Okay? Amazon Web Service, they are the cloud service provider in the world. Now what do you understand by the term cloud? As you all are aware that cloud computing is in demand. But many people are not aware what is cloud computing. We will have a detailed discussion in our syllabus about what is cloud computing. Not to worry. But I would like to give you a basic idea about cloud computing. See, cloud computing is a service model. Like you see that Amazon AWS, Amazon Web Services, they are giving you multiple services. And cloud computing is a service model. How you can relate the term? Amazon Web Service. Cloud computing is a service model. What is the meaning of cloud? What is the meaning of service model? I will give you a basic idea. See, in earlier days, if a company requires server, they will buy physical servers. They will install OS. They will install application. They will install OS. They will install application. Now on one server they require OS, but they don't want application, they want to install database. They will install database. And a company will say, I am having 3 servers. But what has changed nowadays? To keep 3 servers, you require space. You require power. You require racks. You require cooling. And to manage the server, you require manpower also on your side. To avoid these things, people are going for a simpler solution. What is a simpler solution? That Amazon has created. AWS started the operation in 2006. What they did? Till now, what is AWS doing? AWS has built many data centers, large scale data centers across the world, in different parts of the world. And what they are doing, Amazon is having a server. They are installing the OS for you. If you want a server with database installed, they will give you a ready-made OS, Windows, Linux. You want an Oracle database ready-made? You want a database server with Microsoft SQL installed? My dear friends, you get Windows server. You can get Linux server. You can get Oracle database, MySQL database. Everything you get from Amazon as a service. Amazon Web Service. You go to the Amazon website. Their website is nothing but aws.amazon.com. You go over here and there is an option, sign in to console. When you say sign in to console, it will ask you to create a new account. Whenever you create an account with AWS, this account which you create for the first time in your life, that account becomes a free tier account, which gives you access to many paid services. Mark my words, many paid services, 100% free for 12 months. So that's the reason. Remember, when Astari Classes delivers the training, we deliver online trainings, but remember, you get a feeling of classroom. In online training, getting a feeling of classroom. How is it possible? Remember, my dear friends, every candidate will be creating a free tier account where you get 12 months of access for many services, 100% free. Once you create an account, you sign up. Now, what is the benefit? You can do live practicals with the trainer. So the benefit is there, my dear friends, when you come to Astari Classes, and you join any course, I'm specifically talking about AWS course, you will be performing live practicals with the trainer. Okay. Now, when I say live practicals with the trainer, what is the benefit? You are able to perform and you are able to learn the things quickly. Why? Because you are performing live practicals with the trainer. Other thing is that if you want to revise at your home, if you want to do the practicals, you have access to your free tier account, which you have created for 12 months. You can do practice again and again, free of charge. And to support your practice, we have a learning management system, which is included for free with every course. What is LMS? LMS will give you access to live recorded topic-wise lectures. You will get notes and multiple things in LMS. Using that lectures, you can revise and you can do the practicals again and again. And when you are live performing practicals with the trainer, if you face any issues, consider you are not able to perform the practicals. In that case, what will happen? In that case, my dear friend, if you are not able to perform live practicals with the trainer, that is myself, Maqsood Shekha. Okay, I will take remote of your system and help you out. Okay, so that those people who are not able to understand something or they are not able to do the practicals, trainer will take remote of your system and will solve your issues and you will be able to perform practical live with the trainer. This is all about what is AWS, and I have given you a basic idea what is cloud. Now, when you create an account on Amazon website, Amazon is giving you over the website. I have shown you the website. Now, everything is available as a service. What is available as a service? Remember, my dear friends, this data center server is created in Amazon data center. Database is installed in Amazon data center. But if it's a Windows server, you can take RDP of your Windows server, remote. If it's a Linux server, you can take remote access of your server using SSH. If you have a database server, you can take access of your database server and you can use. What is the benefit? This is a service model. Why? The cloud model is known as service model because if you use server for 1 hour, you pay for 1 hour. If you use database for 1 week, you pay for 1 week. If you use for 1 year, you pay for 1 year. But remember, if you use for 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours, you pay only for the amount you are using. So remember, my dear friend, in simple words, I can say when you go for AWS cloud, Amazon is giving you everything over the website as a service. It means over their website, you can access different data centers of the world. Now, Amazon is having around 80 plus data centers in the world. You can access any of the data center of the world. You can create a server. Consider you create a server in UK. You are charged for UK server. Consider you create a server in Mumbai. You are charged for Mumbai server. No need to buy the server. No need to manage the server. No need to install operating system. Everything is managed by Amazon. This model where Amazon manages everything and you pay only if you are using. Okay. This is also known as service model, or in simple words, this model is known as pay as you go model. So everybody has understood now what is cloud model? Cloud is nothing but a pay as you go model. It is also known as service model. So you use the service, you pay the charge. You use the server, you use storage, you use network, you pay the charge. Now when we talk about AWS syllabus, my dear friend, the complete AWS syllabus is given on our website. We will talk with the basics about AWS once we start the syllabus, and then we will discuss multiple things, and you will be, after the discussion is done, every topic we will go ahead and do the practicals, whichever topic practicals are applicable. And after completing the course, your concepts will be crystal clear and you can start working as a cloud architect in any of the companies wherever there are vacancies available. So remember, my dear friend, once you complete the AWS cloud course, this course is what? This course is AWS Cloud Solution Architect course. Level is Associate. AWS Cloud Solution Architect course, Associate level. Just to give you an idea, who should join this course? Anyone can join the course? No, my dear friends. There are some prerequisites. Nobody can join any course. Remember, a person who has knowledge about system means server like Windows, Linux, or a person belonging to a database profile, or a storage guy, or a network guy. Those people who are into IT infra domain and they want to make a career in cloud computing, they can go for this course. Other than the senior people like team leads, tech leads, project managers, program managers, those people who are leading IT infra team, they should also be aware about cloud. So this course is basically an AWS solution architect course. Okay, hopefully sometimes in life we will meet either in a classroom training or in online training. Take care. Bye bye.